Hi there, so we're going to be starting off with the ponytail, and to do this you want to make sure your hair is brushed through thoroughly, like the length of your hair is brushed, because you want to make sure the hair going into the ponytail is flat, as well as the hair in the bun is also flat. So you just want to take a brush and brush through your hair. Okay, now that your hair's brushed, you want to gather your hair into the position where you want your bun to be. So I wanted my bun to be front and center, so that's where I'm gathering my hair and tying it into a ponytail puff situation. Quick tip when you're tying your hair into a ponytail is that you do not want it to be too tight. You want it to be firm so that all your hair is on the inside, but you don't want it to be too tight, because then you'll get those bumps, like the bumps on the side of your hair. That's because of tension, or you'll get headaches throughout the day. So you don't want either one of them. So just make sure that it's firm but not too tight. So I'm grabbing a second rubber band, and then this one I'm using it to tie very close to the ends of my hair. This could be a look. Okay, so this next step that I'm showing you is optional. They do sell those already made donuts, but if you just want an alternative, what you can do is grab a stock and cut it on the close side, so that now you have like two open sides, and then you want to use this motion to roll it down. You can even put it on your leg so that you can have both hands, and then roll down the cut sock into a donut shape. So now you want to grab that donut and place your ponytail inside of it. Yeah. That tying the near the ends just helps makes this process a bit easier. Okay, so now you can just brush through it again, just to make sure that everything, all of your hair, to make sure that your hair fully covers the donut. Another tip, if you're planning on using the sock donut method or whatever it's called, is to get a sock that matches your hair color. That way, if there is some hair that is not fully covering it, it won't pop out as much. No, just blending. So that's the side, and I showed you the back, and that's the front. Okay, so now it's time for the fun part. Lately I've been trying to lay my edges, so what you're gonna watch is an attempt. I'm not really gonna speak through this because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not gonna give you advice when I'm just trying. Yeah, but you wanna just grab gel and and a brush, and you just make shapes. Yeah, make shapes. Okay, so that's the final look after me attempting to leave my edges. And that's before I laid them, so thanks for watching.